The second part of our experiment, we have the hot plate. We check to make sure it works. I'll turn it on 5. We have a 125 Erlenmeyer flask that has 20 milliliters of methanol pumped into it. It has a pasture pipette with a bulb. We have a 125 Erlenmeyer flask labeled methanol, fluorine, fluorinol that has a funnel on top of it. And we have 10 milliliters of methanol that will be used as our rinse. So we want to start cooling that down now. So the 10 milliliters of methanol, we want to start cooling down now. We have the 0.95 grams of the fluorine that I showed you how to grind. And then we weighed out 0.05 grams of the fluorinone. This is the desired product. This is the undesired product. Your final crystals should only be the fluorine. Should only be the fluorine. So I'll put the methanol on the hot plate. I'm going to take the fluorine sample, pour it into the 125 Erlenmeyer flask. I'll take the 0.5 grams of the impure substance, the fluorinone, pour it into the flask. Then we're going to wait until the methanol starts to boil. I'll take that off the hot plate, add 3 squirts, cleaning this out while I do it. Put this on the hot plate, let it boil, take it off 5 times. Add another squirt, cleaning down the sides. Repeat the process, let it boil, take it off, let it boil, take it off 5 times. And we're going to do this until all of the crystals have dissolved in the methanol at its boiling point. And the key here is we use a minimum amount of methanol. So I can see that it's starting to boil right now. So I'll take it off the hot plate. Probably turn the hot plate down to 3 and get 3 squirts. Cleaning down the sides. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'll remove the funnel. I'll swirl it around a little. And I'll put it on the hot plate. And as soon as it starts to boil, I'll take it off. I see a little boiling. I take it off, I swirl it. Put it back on. See a little boiling. Take it off, swirl it, put it back on. A little boiling. Swirl it, take it off, put it back on. This is the 4th time. As soon as it starts to boil a little, that's when you want to take it off because you don't want to lose any of the solvent, the methanol. Alright, so now I'm going to take a full squirt. Trying to clean the sides as I do it and squirt it in here. We're going to repeat the process. Put it on the hot plate. Once you see a little boiling, take it off the hot plate, you swirl it. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. Once again, I'm going to repeat the process. Get a full squirt up. Try to clean the sides down as I squirt in. Bring it to the hot plate. Wait till it boils. Okay, that's 1. Swirl it till it stops boiling. That's 2. Swirl it till it stops boiling. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. Once again, take a full squirt, add it, rinsing down the sides, and repeat the process of 5 times. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. So, once again, take a full squirt. Add it. And repeat the process. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. Get another squirt. And repeat the process again. It's 1. 2. 3. 4. And that's 5.